Alright, now the first thing, we want to create the VPC and the subnets, the public and the private. Now I want to mention that actually this is a real live footage, so which means that I start recording and I start the work. So which means that we will face errors while we are recording. Actually, I didn't remove that because I intended that. So to make sure the work we are doing is 100% real life. So if we got any errors, we will troubleshoot the errors step by step while we are recording, while we are working, okay? All right, now let's start. The first thing, let's create the VPC. As simple as that. From here, of course, yeah, you will need to go to the VPC from the list here. Create the VPC name, I name it DevOps dash VPC, or let's name it DevSecOps dash VPC. Now here, IPv4 block. Here I will put it 10 10 0 0 slash 16. All right. Now, no IPv6, we don't need any. The tenancy is default, not dedicated. And here you can put the name, the tags you want. Let's create the VPC. All right, now if I look here, you can see that we have it here and it is 10.10.00.16. All right, so far so good. DevSecOps VPC. Now we want to go to the subnets. From here, create subnet. Select the VPC we want, which is the DevSecOps. And here the first subnet, which is the public dash subnet. No preferences actually, or you can prefer which available zone you want. It's okay, it doesn't matter. Then the IPv6, then the IPv4 CIDR block 10.10.0.0, but this time slash 24. Now the public, I want to give it the 0 here, okay? The private, I want to give it the 1, okay? Or let's name this 1, okay? And the private will be 0. All right, so far so good. Create the subnet. Now we have created this subnet, the public subnet, and this is the CIDR, another subnet. And again, this will be private subnet. And no matter what, the available zone 10.10.1.0/24. Yeah, sorry, 0.0 like this, and let's create it. All right, now we have the public subnet, and it is like this, the CIDR, and the private, this one, which is this CIDR. All right, so far so good. Now in the next lecture, we will start creating the internet gateway, the NAT, and attach each one of them for each of these instances to make sure everything is working correctly. Yeah, of course, and by modifying the route tables, and we will see that in practice. All right, I'll see you there.